Apparently, sometime yesterday, on the website of Sonos. So the what happened is the fact that a picture of the upcoming symphonic speaker was put on their site, and it's currently it has been taken down, but I don't know whether Sonos is just trying to get people talking about the product on time, or I really don't know yet, to be honest, because what's going on right now is that the symphonic speaker, it's a picture frame Wi-Fi speaker. The the listing was presented on Sonos site, and the price tag is $200, $199, and it's now removed. But a lot of people have seen it. It's that some of the details have been presented, and this is in partnership with the IKEA. So technically, Sonos and IKEA, they're working together on a wall art speaker. They designed to hide it behind a framed artwork of any of your choice in your house. So basically, it's supposed to debut in a week and 5 days. That's about a week and a half, on the 14th of this month, June. So according to the product that has been removed from their page, the Symphonix speaker, technically the frame measures in about 22 inches by 16 inches, and has a deeper 2-inch size. Technically, it's really decent in terms of in terms of its build quality, to be honest. Really, I have to say right now that if this is what you're looking for, you can actually go for it. The price tag does not look too bad. Other things that was confirmed for the Symphonic speaker is the support for Apple AirPlay 2. It comes with Spotify Connect, and it can pair with another Symphonic speaker for a stereo pairing, so you can use two of it and get great performance out of it. There are other stuff, like you can control it via the Sonos S2 app, which I don't think it's bad. So if you want to get some features, you can use the app. So this is not bad, to be honest. At $200, um I really think it's not bad. It's a small speaker that can hide behind your artwork, and it looks cool. Now it's gonna be officially launched on the 14th of this month. So what's gonna happen is, if there are other things that are missing from here that hasn't been reviewed by, then I'll properly cover it and bring you guys news reports then as an official release. So before that, just subscribe to our channel, like our content, follow our social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.